Stop following social media content. What does this really mean? You go in front of the charts just because you saw somebody flipping $1,000, you also want to do the same. Guys, again, I'm here to let you know that if you want to stay longer in the market, you have to make sure that you manage your risk. So guys, again, those people you see who are flipping accounts, they already have other money in their other accounts, okay? So if you really want to become a professional trader, you have to understand one thing. What separates the professional traders from the rest is called risk management. You can't have $1,000 and you put it all, or you can't have $100 and you put it all in one trade. You can't do that. If you really want to stay longer in this game, you have to make sure that you manage your risk every single time. What does it mean? Any trade that you go into, we all know the fact that no trade that you're going to go into that we have a guarantee that this trade is going to turn into a winning trade. What does it mean? Each and every trade that we go into, we know that there's a possibility of this trade turning into a losing trade or even a winning trade. So what does it really mean? You have to make sure that you manage your risk very, very well. Stop following things on social media and you want to rush the process. Okay? Just because you saw somebody making $5,000, you feel like you want to do the same by flipping your account. I promise you it might not end well. So if you really want to stay longer in this game, you have to make sure that you risk 2 to 3% on each trade. And then again, the more you risk less, the more you're going to lose less. And then eventually you're going to gain experience and then confidence. That's how you're going to be making money in the future. A lot of traders want to get rich quick in a week or two or even 6 months, not knowing that trading is not a sprint. It's not something that you're going to get fast. But if you take it slow, like a marathon, slowly, eventually you will arrive to your destination. So members, I'm here to let you know that risk management is the most important thing when it comes to forex trading. And if you can manage your risk very, very well, eventually you are going to be able to make money. But if you cannot manage your risk because you saw somebody making a lot of money in the market and you want to do the same, I promise you it might not end well. Okay, so again, risk 2 to 3% on each trade, and make sure that the less the trades that you are losing, make sure you learn from them and don't repeat those trades again. The trades that you are winning, make sure that you try to repeat those trades again. Of course, even if you repeat the winning trade, still you will experience losing trades, because a trade can look the same, sound or feel the same. At the end of the day, you still find out that you're having a random, unique outcome. But all I'm trying to tell you is one thing. The most important thing is risk management, okay? Just because you have gotten a winning trade yesterday and the other day, the next day doesn't mean that you should increase your lot size. Make sure you use the same lot size and don't risk too much. The more you risk much because you want to get rich quick in the market, the more you're going to be beaten psychologically and you won't be able to stay longer in the game. So again, remember, technical analysis was designed to put odds in our favor in a series of trades, meaning that the strategies that we have, they were not designed to give each and every trade. They are not designed to give us winning trade on each and every trade that we execute. What does it mean? You have to make sure you manage your risk very, very well so that you can stay longer in the game. In case you execute a trade and the trade turns into a losing trade, if you have been managing your risk very, very well, you won't get frustrated. You will still be in the game. So guys, again, risk management is the most important thing when it comes to forex trading. The more you risk less, the more you're going to gain experience, the more you're going to understand what the market is doing, and psychologically you will be fine. But the more you lose a lot of money because you want to get rich quick, because your heart is telling you that you want to buy a Lamborghini the next day, I promise you, it might not end up well. So again, make sure you manage your risk every single time when you're in the market, and don't think of today, think of 1 year from now, okay? Don't risk much in the market, think of long term. If you really want to make it as a trader, start thinking long term, not this week or even this month. Imagine you risk 2% to gain 2%, then you are targeting a risk reward of 1 to 3. It means that you're gaining 6% in one trade. You understand? That's a good percentage. You understand? If you get 3, 4, 5 trades in a month, that's almost 20%. Okay, that's a good return. So what am I talking about? Risk less in the market. Okay? See you. Thanks for subscribing, for liking. For those who haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, and then